In this beginner's tutorial, we're just going to go over how to navigate cells and how to get around in Excel quickly and efficiently. To begin, the cell that I have selected is going to be surrounded by this green box, as you can see. Right now, I'm in cell H5. You can see the column and the row that I have selected of that cell is a slightly different shade, and that signifies where I am in H5. To navigate to other cells, you can easily just move your mouse around and left-click different cells. If I'm clicking cells that have a value in there, you can see the equation up at the top on the equation bar. And cells that are blank are going to have nothing up here in this equation bar. Now, if I want to edit something in a cell, I can just left click once and start typing. Or I can double click. If I double click, you'll see the blinking cursor, and then that'll signify as well that we can begin typing. Alright, so that's great, but sometimes we're going to want to navigate in Excel and not have to take our hand off of the keyboard back to the mouse to get to a different cell. So the easy way to navigate your spreadsheets in Excel using keyboard shortcuts is by utilizing Tab and Enter. So if I hit Tab, it's going to shift me over one column. But if I hit Shift Tab, it's going to bring me back. So Tab takes us over, Shift Tab takes us back. Then if we hit the Enter key, that's going to take us down a row. So Enter takes us down, Shift Enter takes us up. Tab takes us over, Shift Tab takes us back, Enter takes us down, Shift Enter takes us back up. Excel will automatically assume what you're entering in for data entry as well if you hit Tab and Enter. So for example, I'll type in 1, hit Tab, 2, hit Tab, 3, and then hit Enter. And then it's going to take me down to the next row, but it's going to assume I'm entering data in those 3 columns. So then I can continue typing. And then hit Enter again, and it'll take me right back to that original row. So that's just kind of a built-in tool that Excel does to help us out most of the time as well. You can also utilize the arrow keys on your keyboard. So up obviously takes you up, down takes you down, and then you have the right and left arrow key, which can move you left and right. So that's just the basics on how to navigate your spreadsheet using your mouse, using your arrow keys, and then using Tab and Enter, and Shift Tab and Shift Enter. So hopefully this helps you out. Make sure to like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for more easy, quick Excel tutorials in the future. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.